Hi children, welcome back to yet another section. Now we will discuss question number 12. This is the last question of this lesson. Okay, so move to the 12th question. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 5 cm respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are 100 cm and 144 cm? That is the length and breadth of one rectangular region, and 70 cm and 36 cm is the length and breadth of another rectangular region. Now what we have to find out here, how many tiles are required. So first we will find out how many tiles are required in the first rectangular region. So how many, what is given there in the question? What is given there? Length of the tile is given there. Length of a tile is equal to length of a tile. What is the length of a tile? Length of a tile is equal to 12 centimeter. What is the breadth of the tile? Breadth of a tile is equal to 5 centimeter. If you know the length and breadth, easily you can find the area of a tile. Is it? Area of a tile is equal to length into breadth. What is the answer, children? 12 into 5 is equal to 60 centimeter square. So this is the area of the tile. Okay. Now we have to put these tiles into a rectangular region. So I told you, if you want to put tiles on a rectangular region, or if you want to paint a wall, first we have to find the area of that particular portion. So here we have to find the area of this particular rectangular region. Then only we can find how many tiles are required for covering that particular rectangular region. Is it? So what we will do first? First we will find out the area of the first rectangular region. What is the length of the region? Length of the region is equal to, what is the area of the length of the first rectangular region? 100 centimeter. And what is the breadth of the first rectangular region? Breadth of the region is equal to, you write down rectangular region. Breadth of the rectangular region is equal to, breadth of the rectangular region is equal to 144 centimeter. So if you know the length and breadth of the region, easily you can find the area of that particular rectangular region. Is it? Easily you can find the area. So area of the rectangular region is equal to, area of the rectangular region is equal to, what is the formula for finding area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So what you can write here? 100 into 144. What is the answer you will get? 14400. 14,400 centimeters square. Okay. So we know we got the area of that particular rectangular region. Now what is our question? We have to find how many tiles are required. How will we find that? We know the area of one tile. We know the area of the particular rectangular region. Now the question is number of tiles required. So how will we find, children? Number of tiles required is equal to, how will we find the answer? Area of the rectangular region. Area of the region divided by area of the region divided by area of one tile. Area of one tile. If you are doing the division like this, you will get how many tiles are required for covering this first rectangular region. So what is the answer here? 14,400 divided by, what is the area of one tile? 60. So just divide it. What answer you will get? What answer you will get? 14,040 divided by 60. What answer? 240 tiles you will get. 240 tiles. Do the long division. Do the normal division. 6 2s are 12, 24, 0. So 240 tiles you will get. Do the normal long division. So how many tiles are required to cover the first rectangular region? We need 240 tiles to cover the first rectangular region. So like the same way, you can find how many tiles are required for the second rectangular region. I hope this first answer is clear. First we find out the area of the tile and we find out the area of the first rectangular region and we got the answer as 14,400. We have to find how many tiles are required to cover that particular rectangular region. So how will we find the answer? Area of the region divided by area of one tile. So what answer you will get? 14,400 divided by 60. What is the answer? 240 tiles are required to cover the first rectangular region. Like the same way we will find out the next answer also. What is the next answer? What is the next answer? What is the next question? Length and breadth is given there. B question. Question number B. Length is 70, breadth is 36, is it? Question number B. Length of the region is 70 centimeter, breadth of the region is 36 centimeter. I told you if you know the length and breadth, you can easily find the area, is it? You can easily find the area. So how will we? Same step, same method, okay? Same step. So if you know the length and breadth of the region, you can easily find the area. How will we find? 70 into 36. What is the answer? 2520 centimeters square. 70 into 36. What is the answer? 2520. Now we need to find how many tiles are required. How will we find? Area of the region divided by area of one tile. That means 2520 divided by 60. What is the area of one tile? 60 itself. So what is the answer? 250 to divide by 6. Do the normal long division. 42 tiles. 42 tiles. Okay. So I hope these answers are clear. We got the area of one tile. We have to find what is second question. How many tiles are required to cover the second rectangular region? We find out the area of the rectangular region and we got it as 2520. And for finding how many tiles are required, what you did children? Area of region divided by area of one tile, and what answer you will get? 42 tiles are required to cover the second rectangular region. Okay. I hope these answers are clear. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.